Hello, Facebook. Does the corona have you sad, depressed? Do you need a little bit of comforting? Today on Cooking with Ciro, comfort food from the comfort of your own home. In 60 minutes or less. We're making a ground meat and potato casserole. So let's start off with the ingredients. So we're gonna need potatoes, right? Got some potatoes. You need some type of ground meat. I'm using turkey. However, if you use beef, it's more delicious. All right, what else? We have cheese, obviously. We need milk. We need onion. And really, you can be very creative. You can put any type of veggies that you want. You can mix in any veggies with your ground meat. I'm going to just put in some squash. I'm going to also use garlic salt. You can use salt, pepper, garlic, however you want to season your meat. I'm just going to use garlic salt. And a baking tray. I'm only doing a small portion. You also need butter. I'm doing about half a pound of ground meat. So, you know, if you're doing 1 full pound, just double the ingredients. 2 pounds. Multiply the ingredients by 4. This dish consists of a few things. Potatoes, right? We're gonna slice up potatoes and in slices. It's gonna have like a meat filling. It's gonna be topped again with potatoes. We're gonna put a cheese and milk sauce in it, and then we're gonna cover it again with cheese on top. We're going to do our filling first. The only ingredients that I'm putting in my ground beef is onion. I'm going to put in some squash. Or is this zucchini? And pretty much seasoning, the garlic salt seasoning. I'm going to be slicing up my potatoes in slices. Now my potatoes are going to cover this my cooking dish. So all on the bottom, the sides, and then on top. So based on your baking dish, your potato, your amount of potatoes might vary. So I ended up cutting about 3 small potatoes for my small dish. We're gonna get ready to do our filling. Get a pan, some oil in it, let it get hot. Need more oil. Alrighty, oil's hot. Cool. Onions going in. So is my squash. I'm gonna go ahead and do my sauce also while I have my filling cooking. I'm gonna do 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some seasoning. Once all that mixes very well, I'm gonna put about a cup of cheddar cheese in it, possibly. So, small saucepan on the stove. It's gonna get hot. 3 cups of milk. Sorry, 3/4 cups milk going in. 2 tablespoons of butter. And we have my seasoning. Alrighty, so this is ready for the meat. Okay. Meat goes in. Once your sauce starts to froth because of the milk and your butter has melted, it's time to add the cheese. Really, you can go ahead and turn it off at this point. The cheese will slowly melt. Now remember, this is a cheese sauce, so you don't want it thick. You know, you don't want it that thick. Look at that. That's pretty good. We want it to flow. And my filling is done. I don't know if you noticed, but it didn't release a lot of liquid. That's because this is turkey. It's lean turkey, it's not beef. Trying to be healthy. Alrighty-o, so my sauce is done. My filling is done. Time to put my taters all around this. Alrighty. So there it is, all lined up. Nice. Gonna put my meat filling in it now. Alright, I'm just gonna cover it up with my remaining potatoes. So that's how it's looking. Time for the cheese sauce. Oh yeah. Ciro, why are you banging it? Have you gone mad? No, I'm not mad. So if you could see from the shot, I'm banging it a little bit so that my cheese sauce could go down into my filling. Beautiful. Last step, pour more cheese on top. Look at that, you guys. So we're gonna cover this with tin foil. It's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna uncover it and stick it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Here we go. So the 30 minutes is up. Let's take out this casserole from the oven. How do I get it off? Alright, so I got some tongs. This foil is really hot. Oh wow. Come in close. Take a look at that. Alrighty. So we're gonna put a little bit more cheese on top. Now this is gonna go back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. I want this to brown over all the way. So the time's up. Ooh, let's take a look. Look at that, y'all. Wow, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful. I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, maybe about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna dig in. Let's cut this bad boy. Oh. Look at that. That's just a little leftover grease, but not too runny. Not too runny. It came out pretty good. Look at that. And let's give this a little taste. So good. So good, you guys. So good. There you have it. Comfort food from the comfort of your own home in under 1 hour. So real quick, I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but I have a few coming up. I know I've had a couple of requests on how to make homemade flour tortillas. So be ready because I will be posting how to do that. Probably on the weekend. I also have another video of some French fries that I did. They were tasty. I'm gonna go ahead and post that as well. Like always, like my page, like my videos, and if you don't like it, I'll make another one. Go and like that one.